Market research allows you to understand your target audience. Yes, that's our first goal for market research. And that's why I asked Pasita the first question: who are your customers? We need to start by understanding our potential customer. We need to do a lot of observations. We need to ask a lot of questions and validation. Take your time to define your target audience, those who are most likely to buy your product or your service. We need to create detailed customer personas, including their demographics, interests, and pain points. This will be the foundation of your marketing strategy. I remember my coaching client. Let's call her Gladys. Gladys is one of the coaching clients that I helped to conduct extensive market research for her organic skincare line. By understanding her audience's desire for natural products and their skincare concerns, she created products that resonated with her customers. She also learned how to communicate with them better by talking about the pain points that they shared. So the ads and promos that followed were on point because they were relevant to the audience that she was already familiar with from her research.